everyone, welcome back to Eassiy Official. Did you drop your iPhone and now the screen is broken? Right over the passcode? Can't unlock it with Face ID, Touch ID, or even the touch screen? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to unlock your iPhone hands-free, even if your screen is completely broken. Some methods will let you keep your data, and others might require a full reset. And honestly, the fastest and most reliable way is using Passixer iPhone Unlocker, which I'll guide you through step by step. Part 1. Unlock without losing data. Optional methods. Way 1. Voice control, and it's totally free. Here's what you need. Voice control enabled and iOS version 14.6 or later. First, tap the screen to wake your iPhone. Then just say, "Go home." Face ID will try first, and if that doesn't work, the passcode screen should pop up. Now just speak the passcode digits, like tap 2, tap 8, and so on. Your iPhone unlocks hands-free. Super simple. Way 2. Using an external keyboard. For this, you'll need a paired or trusted keyboard, iOS 11.4.1 or later, and full keyboard access enabled. Connect your keyboard through USB or Bluetooth. Then, just tap the spacebar to wake your iPhone. Type your passcode and press return or enter. That's it. You're unlocked. Way 3. Screen repair. If you have AppleCare Plus, the cost is about $29, but without a plan, it can jump up to around $379. The steps are pretty straightforward. You book a repair, get the screen replaced, and your iPhone should work normally again. These methods do work, but honestly, they can be slower, or you might risk losing your data. That's why Passixer is way faster and a lot easier. Part 2. Unlock with Passixer iPhone Unlocker. Core method. Now, here's the most reliable method, Passixer iPhone Unlocker. It removes any passcode, whether it's 4 or 6 digits, Touch ID, Face ID, Apple ID, iCloud activation lock, screen time passcodes, and even MDM locks. It works on all iPhone models and supports iOS all the way up to 17. Open Passixer, choose Wipe Passcode. All you have to do is connect your iPhone, and then click Start. Next, you just confirm your device info, click Download to get the firmware, and after it's downloaded, enter 0000 and click Unlock. Your iPhone will reset and reboot unlocked. And yeah, you don't even need to touch the screen. Pro tip: this is super useful for broken devices, secondhand iPhones, or if you're planning to resell or trade in your device. So there are some other reset options too, like using iCloud, Find My, or iTunes Restore. These can erase your data, but they'll usually require your Apple ID, or that you put your phone into recovery mode. The steps are basically sign in, erase the device, confirm, and then reactivate it. But honestly, these are slower, have more steps, and are just less convenient than using Passixer. And that's it! Passixer iPhone Unlocker, which works hands-free, fast, and safely. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Check the link in the description to download Passixer and follow along. Thanks for watching Eassiy Official. See you in the next one.